My name is Mohammed Mahmoud Sheikh. I'm originally Somalian. I was born in Italy, raised in Tanzania. I felt like I need to come back here and see what I can do here. So that's the time I came back here, looked at the town and thought like what business to do first. Because I had a lot of ideas, but the dry cleaning idea just popped inside. A normal person who's like, let's say a minister or an MP or a businessman or an NGO worker who wears a suit to work always have to take his suits to Nairobi, Addis or Djibouti for just dry cleaning it. This is our laundry place. This is a place where I do my laundry, like the shirts, the jeans, all the things that need machine wash. The challenges, first finding the location, and I all came to know that this Makkah Al-Mukarramah road was the busiest road. Coming from the airport, going to the presidential palace, and every businessman, NGOs, all take this road. It was just really hard for a Somalian to believe like you're a dry cleaner. It's like, no, he's using his hands to wash the clothes. So I had to take, to put so much effort on just marketing this business. And now things are going so well. Like my business runs from 8 morning until 6 in the evening. Sometimes I run until 9 in the evening. Right now I have customers who always come back like 3 times a week for bringing like 5 suits each time they come. Mogadishu is changing a lot, business is booming. People are now having the confidence that it's peace, So I'm telling my brothers and sisters, Somalians or anybody, international, foreign people, come to Mogadishu, see for yourself, and I'm sure you can bring some new ideas to the country because Mogadishu needs new ideas so far.